master here. I had to cut out the video, but that's not going to get uploaded. But I've just been feeding my birds some sunflowers. I'm going to get a bit closer, but right there, and I'm going to give a shout out to Alicia Diao, my cousin, who's going to watch this, Josh Phillip, and Shania, my sister. Up on the fence, I'm going to give you a close-up view, like I did in the last video when I was feeding these birds. Not the last video, but I'm going to pause it. Yo, just have to pause the video. Up you go. Come on. Sorry about that. Just bad angle. See, got it up there. One here. I'm just expecting to come to the phone so I can get a close-up look. Yeah, I'll get a good close-up look. Yeah, close-up looks. See, I've got these tons of bird seeds on the bottom, and they're going to start coming down. Got two there, and the reason I said hi is this little girl saying hi, cockatoos. She's like just interested in me feeding cockatoos. This time there's way more than usual. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 12 here. Maybe because I got a bit frightened off when I was walking, so to get them on the fence so the neighbours could see. Yeah, they are going to fight a lot. Just see if I can get it on camera. I think those two are going to go at it. One up there. Oh, there's two up there, so 14 cockatoos. Oh, yep. Got a good action right there. Two in the tree. I didn't show you. But yep, they went at it. But yeah, I'm sorry I couldn't show you the video before I could show you. But hold on.